All right, guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to go over A plus setups and why you should only wait for them. Your chances of being profitable if you just wait for these setups is so much higher. If you have risk to reward dialed, wait for your setups and you're patient, you can definitely be profitable in this game. But most people can't wait. Like people will make a trade in between these levels because they can't wait. They'll make up a strategy and go short here at VWAP. That's not our strategy. We play at the levels, guys. You set your alarms and you play the levels. Um, so here's our first A plus setup. It is meta, and at open here, our plan was if we broke below this daily SMA and this level of around 441, we wanted to go short here. So you see this first 5-minute candle closed below our level and our SMA, and then we had a little retest. So I think I got in around here, and then our stop would be over here, and then we're about almost 5 to 6 risk to reward here, 5 to 6 to 1. So you can't beat that. I think I bought like 5 contracts. I trimmed most by down here, and I left one runner because my expiration was like I had time left on my expiration. So but yeah, that's our first A plus setup right there, and it was a beautiful one. Our second one, Nvidia. Here we go. So on Nvidia here, we were waiting. See how we couldn't break out here? Rejected, rejected. So it opened here. That was our plan. If we broke this level, we want to retest. And look, we had a beautiful retest. We broke above, came down, and as soon as buyers start bringing this back up, we're entering. So we enter. Our stop is going to be down here. This is a risk to reward around 6 to 1, I would say. But it was absolutely beautiful. It printed immediately, and that was a absolutely beautiful play. A bunch of members won on this one with us. Third one, Amazon, right here. So our plan with Amazon here, this was rated open. These are 5-minute candles. So we wanted to break below this SMA and then go short. So I entered around these candles. I forget exactly when. So I entered here, and my plan was to basically trim on the way down to this SMA right here and take most profits by there. That was the plan. So we entered here, stop above, and then it didn't go our way. It went up, boom, hit our stop. So I lost like 300 on that trade. But these are the trades we look for. You want to break a level, retest, and then enter. Guys, if you could put this all together, you can have a plan for the day. You have your levels for you, which I'm going to actually get into levels. You don't even have to do levels if you're in our community and you have access to this. I will go over this with you. But if you have your plan, key levels, and then you wait for the setup, have risk management, you can be profitable. You just most people can't stick to a strategy and be patient, and they break rolls. If you could just be disciplined, you can be profitable. I promise you. Wait for the setups. It is so important. It's how you become profitable. So check this out. Key levels you don't have to do anymore. You come into our Discord, you click on this link, and all of the levels will go straight to your trading view. You don't have to do them anymore. Come on, load up. There we go. So pretty much you click on that link and you hit, well, my internet is super slow. You hit copy right here, and then I'm not gonna do it because I already have them. But you just hit copy, and then it'll go. Everything will go straight to your trading view right here, like this. You have levels to everything. Like no other Discord is doing this, so you guys should definitely come in and try it for free. If you, most people do levels and they're like big enters, they won't be sure if their levels are correct or anything. Just come in here and try ours out. They're dead on. The next thing is we do in Discord is it's called Play of the Day, and then SJV will give you like the best looking setup, the A plus setup for the day. Like, look, he gave that NVIDIA play I went over actually. He gave you the entry 187 to 186.50, the stop loss and the profit target. But look, he gave you, we're looking for this to break, retest, and bang. So guys, if you want to check this out, super cool. You'll love it. Anyone that's used these levels has not liked it. So come try it out. Hit that subscribe button. Like, these videos are going to keep coming. We're going to get better and better at doing them. They're tough to do at first when you first start out, but I'm going to get more comfortable on camera, and we're just going to keep throwing these out for you, try and give you guys value. But yeah, that's about it. I will see you on the next one, guys. Have a good night.